Have you ever been told that migraine is just a headache? Well, the truth is, migraine is not just a headache. The truth is far much more serious, and thousands and thousands of people are being left without the support they desperately need. Hello, my name is Gospel Eadweardfilia, and I am clinically endorsed pharmacist and independent prescriber, a functional medicine practitioner, and a registered health coach. I specialize in supporting people living with chronic pain, in particular migraine and sickle cell disease. I specialize in helping professionals and women living with chronic pain, especially those who feel invisible, those who feel invisible in the healthcare system. I help them take back control of their health and their life. Contrary to popular belief, migraine is not just a pain. It impacts every aspect of someone's life, their mental health, their physical health, their finances, their career. In fact, according to 2024 Migraine survey, in which they surveyed over 2,000 people, they shared that 60% said that their work or study was really affected, very much affected by chronic pain, migraine. And 80% said they withdrew from societal activity. 89% of them also said that their mental health had been severely impacted. And shockingly, 39% of them admitted to even having suicidal thoughts. Even a more concerned statistics based on this survey by the Migraine was that 63% of people felt unsupported by the healthcare system. You know what? That's the survey that the Migraine Trust did actually correlated with the survey I took. I did also with 150 people that attended my focus group 2 years ago. Many of them felt lack of support, being dismissed, and even some of them were told that they were exaggerating their symptoms. This is not just a statistics. It's people's lives. It's people's dignity and their future that are at stake here. That is why it's created the grain relief practice, the healthier and wealthier living practice. You know, through programs that I have in my practice, I combine functional medicine, my pharmacy expertise, and personalized coaching to help people not just manage migraine, but also break free from its grip. I provide education, a one-to-one or even group guidance, and practical strategies so people can move from survival mode to living a healthier and wealthier life in a much more purposeful way, purpose-led life. Have lived experience of living with chronic pain and managing chronic migraine. I was able to get into remission from my migraine, and the system that I use is what I'm sharing with other people. So if you are living with chronic pain, migraine, sickle cell, and you are tired of being ignored, you're tired of being misunderstood, you are not alone. I want to tell that there is hope. There is guidance out there. We inject hope into you. And I invite you to join my free masterclass and also take the Discover Your Migraine profile to see what's really driving your symptoms. Because look, migraine may be invisible, but you don't have to feel invisible anymore. Together, we can actually design a lasting path for you to achieve migraine relief, a healthier and a wealthier purpose-led life. One that you'll be interested in living and you would love. Until next time, I'm wishing you ongoing success. So you take care. Ciao.